I told you guys this thing was chewed up and ate up. Yeah, it's disgusting. I don't want to show the backside. I'm about to throw it in the trash. And so I ordered 2 more. I had it in there to see if it fit, so that's why this one is wet. And I paid $9, and that was free shipping, which was a better deal than what I found on eBay. The cheaper ones would not be here for like 2-3 months, so it wasn't worth it. We needed it like right now. So yeah, this is what it looks like. These are the new ones, and these were on Walmart.com, and they actually fit really snug, which is what I like that inside there, and it looks so much better. So if you're looking for replacing your I don't know, your garbage disposal stoppers for a decent price, affordable price, check out Walmart.com. If I forget, please remind me to leave the link in the description box so that way you can find the same seller that I bought these from. And these came faster than I thought they would. So these literally got here within like 3 to 4 days. So yep, wanted to share that because I know this is also something that is irritating. When I see stuff like this, it irritates me. And I got really nervous, like, oh my gosh, it's all ruined. Do they sell these? And lo and behold, they do. So, I see that? It got, like, basically chumped up all in the dark on disposal. Ew. That side makes me nauseous. So, I wanted to just share that with you guys. And like I'm doing, I'm refreshing my home and upgrading things that need to be upgraded and replacing things that need to be replaced, doing organization, cleaning out and all that great stuff. And in the process, I will be sharing deals if I find great deals, especially on things that I know other people may need as well, because a lot of people don't know where to go to find it for affordable prices. So that's why I share these things. All right. Talk to you guys later. And that is a